Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. Welcome to the Science Buddy series. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services, and today we're going to make a lava lamp. For this experiment, you will need 5 ingredients. Number 1, a tall glass or a large bottle, that will work too. Number 2, some oil. Number 3, water. Number 4, fizzy tablets. I'm using Alka-Seltzer. Number 5, food coloring. So 5 ingredients. Pause your video, go get everything you need, and come back. I'll see you soon. Welcome back everybody. Did you get all 5 ingredients? You did? Awesome. Then let's do step number 1. The first thing we're going to do is pick a food coloring. I'm going with green. And we're going to pour some food coloring into the water. So pour in about 20 drops. And you'll see it's mixing in. So pause your video, go pour the food coloring in the water, and come back for step 2. Did everyone pour the food coloring in their water? Awesome. Show me all the colors you picked. Ah, they look perfect. Good job, everybody. Let's move on to step 2. The next thing we're going to do is pour oil into the tall glass. We're going to fill the glass about halfway. So pour oil in the glass halfway. Here I go. The oil is poured. I filled the glass halfway. Now everyone pause your video, pour the oil in the glass, and come back for step 3. Hi again, everybody. So far, our water has been colored and our oil has been poured. So step number 3, we're going to pour the colored water into the oil. Let's make a guess. What do you think will happen if we pour the water into the oil? Let me hear some guesses. That's pretty interesting. Let's see what happens. Pour water into oil. Everyone, pause your video and pour the water into your oil and come back to talk about it. So tell me, what happened when you poured the water into the oil? No way! Awesome! Take a look what happened to mine. The oil stayed at the top and the colored water sunk to the bottom. The oil and the water do not mix. They separate. Isn't that cool? Step number 4. We're going to take a fizzy tablet and put it in the cup to see what happens. Let's make some more guesses. What do you think will happen when we put the tablet into the cup? Awesome! Let's see. Tablet in the cup. It's starting to fizz. What do you hear? It's bubbling. It looks like a lava lamp. It sends bubbles into the oil. Everyone pause your video and put a tablet in your cup. Then come back and tell me what happened. Did it work? Did your fizzy tablet turn your experiment into a lava lamp? That's awesome! I'm going to try it again. Do you think it will work a second time? Let's see. This time, I'm going to break my tablet in half and put in a little piece. Let's see if it's different. Do you think it will change? It's working again. When you put half of the tablet in, it still makes bubbles. It looks pretty cool. Here goes the other half. Powerful! When you use more tablets, the bubbles go faster. Wow! That's pretty cool. Thanks for joining me, everybody. This was Science Buddy Series, and I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services. See you again soon.